Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Josa Banghit, 42 years old. I'm single. I'm high school graduate. Uh, I'm I have experience in Dubai for 5 years as a domestic helper and more than 2 years in Hong Kong.
Okay. So, can you mention what are your duties with your past employers?
My main duties there is to Dubai is taking care of the babies, uh, doing the household tasks like ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and taking care of the babies, cooking food of the babies. And in Hong Kong, I have experience also for more than 2 years. My duties there are taking care of my mom, doing the household tasks like ironing and washing the clothes, cleaning the house, washing the car sometimes, and I have a gardening and
Okay.
taking care of the pets,
Okay.
1 dog and 7 cats.
Okay. So, in taking care of the kids, what are the important things that you need to do?
My important things, ma'am, is to taking care of the baby.
Okay. How do you take care of them?
I taking of them by giving food, cooking food, and then I give their vitamins, and then I set the baby.
Okay. Okay, so can you also cook?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience cooking for the, Arabic food, and then I have also experience cooking and simple Chinese food.
Okay, simple Chinese food.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
do you mind sharing room with the kids or elderly? If
No,
you will share room, is it okay to you?
no, ma'am.
Okay, so you prefer own room.
Yes, ma'am, I prefer with
Own room. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How about if you have a co-helper? Is it okay?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. So, can you promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, I promise. I didn't do that.
Okay. Message for your future employer.
Ma'am, sir, do hire me because I'm obedient, hardworking, and trustworthy.